Hi, this is Paul from channel warmcarnow and warmcarnow.com. I want to give you a preview of a system that I've listed on eBay for the 2008 through 12 Honda Accord and the 2009 through 15 Honda Pilot. There are a few other applications. You can check the description and check for compatibility in your vehicle. The system is presented in several variations. We have a LCD long-range two-way remote. We have a multi-button long-range one-way remote and a long-range single-button remote. The system is capable of activating remote start from the OEM remote by locking the doors 3 times. You can lock the doors 3 times and trigger remote starting, so you can use the system just with the OEM remote. These are optional remotes. Our unit has a smartphone port on the side. We can plug a smartphone controller directly into our unit to upgrade to full telematic control. We're going to talk about connection points. We have an ignition T-harness. We would plug this into the ignition switch. We have an immobilizer T-harness. We would plug this into the immobilizer. And we have 3 optional connections that may or may not be required. We have a parking light connection. If you would like the parking lights to come on, you would connect this up at the parking light switch. We also have a horn connection. If we're doing something that requires a panic or horn chirp confirmation, like using one of our multi-button controllers, you would connect the horn. Now, there's also a wire if the vehicle has auto lamps. In order to shut the auto lamps off when the remote starter times out, you would be required to make an additional connection to do that. So at most you would have to make 3 connections. You can be up and running with the core system with no connections, just plugging in the 2 points and grounding the system.